Hi, and thanks for joining me. I am Bev from Inkwell, and today I wanted to show you how to make blackcurrant ice cream. Now, I've been growing blackcurrants in the garden, and so I was looking for something different to just making the old preserve or jam. So, I have my blackcurrants, 250 grams. You're also going to need some condensed milk, just a tin of that. So the tins come as standard 397 grams. You'll also need some double cream, 600 milliliters of the cream. You're also going to need some sugar and a little bit of water. To freeze the ice cream, you are going to need some plastic Tupperware or something similar. So you'll also need that. I'll probably just use some old takeaway tubs because there's usually a few hanging around the house. So without further ado, first things first, you're going to need to make a compote with the blackcurrants. So you're going to put the blackcurrants and a little bit of water and some sugar into a pan and heat that through. So just on a lowish heat here, you don't want the fruit to catch or the sugar to catch that you're going to put in. So in goes 250 grams of blackcurrants, 2 tablespoons of sugar, sorry, that's 4 tablespoons of sugar, and you'll need 2 tablespoons of water. So what you're looking for here is for the sugar to be dissolved, and the berries will have started to soften as well. And then you can turn the berries off the heat then, and that can then just be left to cool down. The compote is now cooling down. All the sugar's dissolved in there, and it had a little bubble for a few minutes. So now on to some whisking. I've got my electric whisk here, and what we need to do is whisk together the cream and the condensed milk. They will become thicker and thicker as you're whisking, and you need to stop when it's very thick. Here is the whisked condensed milk and double cream. It's very thick, it won't slip out. So yeah, you probably need it about that density in terms of thickness. And then what you want to do is just scoop it into your tubs that you're going to freeze it in. So I've got a few tubs here. And you want to leave just a little bit of spare room because the compote's going to go in here as well. So you'll need to leave enough room for you to be able to stir a little bit in here. So once you've got your cream and condensed milk mixture into your tubs, then it's just a matter of pouring a little bit of your compote into each tub. Maybe you've managed to fit yours into one tub. Mine are quite small, my tubs. So I'm just going to spoon in a little bit of that mixture. And then you just want to make a simple sort of S shape in there, just to nicely stir it in. So I'm going to make a bit of a a sort of ice cream ripple with the blackcurrants. And then it's just a matter of freezing the ice cream. You'll need to freeze it for about 6 hours before it's ready. Perhaps because I've got smaller containers, it might not take as long to freeze. And that's it. So here we have it, the finished ice cream. Totally delicious, a little tart, very sweet, which is a very good mix in my opinion. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will go away now and enjoy my ice cream, and I hope you enjoy yours too. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye.